Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing an in the post. It's going to be a very short in the post because I don't have that much to show you. But either way, this is in the post 23, and the first one here is a Harry Potter coin, a blue card. The reason why I got this is I needed one for my date run, so I can take it out of this shell and then flip it and put it into my date run. Alongside that, I got one of the new series of the gold trading cards. Now there are going to be 10 of these cards, and he says the list I have so far, whoops, he says, come on. These gold edge cards, they're to celebrate the 10th anniversary of Change Checker, and they're reproducing some of these trading cards. The 6 that I knew of before I received this one was the Kew Gardens, the EU Presidency dual dated card, the Platinum Jubilee, the 70-year one, the Isaac Newton, the WWF, Pride were the ones that were known. Those were the 6 that were known. I've just received this Paddington at the station, which is the card. I've marked it as card number 7, although it could be any numbered card, any number. I believe a few people have got these because I've seen a couple of them on sale in the eBay. So let me just widen that out and take it up a little bit. This is my card book, and there's the gold series beginning, and it finishes on this page. So I have 3 cards that I don't know what they're going to be. Now, as I said, I've seen a picture that showed 6 of them, which was the ones that I told you about: Q, EU Presidency, Platinum Jubilee, Isaac Newton, WWF and Pride. I've received this Paddington card that I've just shown you, so there are 3 that I don't know what are they going to be. Do any of you out there actually know what the full list is, or any of the 3 cards that I'm missing the names of? If you can let me know, I would be extremely grateful. You can put them down in the comments. As I said, I'd be extremely grateful if you could do that for me. Right, that's that one out of the way. Right, everybody thinks coin tubers are great and they don't make mistakes. Here are 2 of my mistakes. Over a 6-week period, I ordered 2 coins. Both of them were round pounds, and they were the 2015 round pounds. Now, there were 2 issues of these. There was one that was the IRB, and there was the one that was the JC portrait. The JC portrait was in the set and wasn't released into circulation. The IRBs were. Now the one I need is the one that wasn't entered into circulation, and I made the mistake of ordering 2 coins. I thought they were the ones I wanted over a period of time, not realising they weren't. So I have 2 extra IRBs large shield coins because I made the mistake of ordering the wrong one. I thought I was getting them on the cheap. I didn't stop to think and check properly. So it does happen even to more experienced coin collectors that they make mistakes. Not overly happy with myself for that. I called myself all sorts of names, most of them unrepeatable. The next coin that I have, well, before that I do have, of course, some stamps. These are stamps that came on parcels. I have a large new second class one there. Then I have some commemorative stamps. I think these were that's a Headrex tribute, and these ones I think, are they set of farm stamps, farm animals or something? They seem to have horses, ducks. So there's Canadian geese in there as well. There's a cat. There's all sorts of things going on in that one. I'm not sure what that one's about, what they're about, but they will be added to my ever-growing bag of stamps. And the last thing that I have for us today is one that I saw one of the other coin tubers show, and I realised I didn't have it for my round pound set from the Isle of Man, and I picked it up. It's from 1980s, and it's the one for the town commissioners. Let me just get down a little bit, see if that's, there you go. It's a town commissioners one, so that's one that of course I'll review, and I'll give you the full SP on in the next couple of weeks or so. So this is, as I said, this is a very small in the post. I normally wait until I've got a few items to show you, but time is running out for the end of January. I have got stuff that I'm waiting for still, but unfortunately they haven't arrived as of yet. If you've enjoyed this particular video, could you please give me the thumbs up? And if you've not joined us yet, or not subscribed to the channel as yet, I'll be delighted if you do, if you believe I deserve it. I want to grow my channel again this year. I've had steady growth since December. My numbers have gone up, and I'm very happy about that. People have said, do you want to set a target for this year? I want to set an almost impossible target in 100 and I want to try and get 200 by the end of this year. I'm currently at about 135. Hopefully, I think that's a realistic target. Let's see if I can do it, and with your help hopefully I will. If you aren't sure, subscriptions don't cost you anything, as does the give me the thumbs up. So if you think I deserve it, please will you both subscribe and give me the thumbs up. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are purchasing coins, wherever you're purchasing them from, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-ra now.